Hello, today we're going to be making a No Bake Chocolate Tart. Let's get started. For this recipe, we need soaked almonds, soaked raisins, soaked mangoes, peanut butter, chocolate, and coconut cream. Coconut oil, soaked mangoes. Let's get started. We need to mix everything in the food processor. We have to add the coconut cream, chocolate, and melted coconut oil. This is how it turned out. Third, we have to put it like in here, so like it'll be like the crust. When your crust is finished, then you can put it into your refrigerator to chill off a little while we make the filling. And by the way, the crust is delicious. For the filling, we have to get more melted chocolate, raisins, coconut cream, melted coconut oil, and if you want to, you can use vanilla too. When your filling is finished, pour everything into your chilled tart. You have to put the whole entire tart into the refrigerator to cool. When your tart is cool, you can decorate with any fruits you want. It's time to taste it. I think it's very chocolatey. I like the texture of the crust. I really like because it has all the different flavors in it. And it's very soft. Thanks for watching.